This video will serve as your one-stop shop for everything you need to know about transferring money to Capital One from another bank. Whether you are getting started with a new account for a side hustle or you have finally made the decision to consolidate everything into one place, the process of transferring funds between banks can appear to be intimidating at first. We'll cover the different methods available, walk you through the steps for each, and even touch on some timing and fee considerations. By the end of this video, you'll be a transfer pro, ready to move that money with confidence. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's dive into the world of interbank transfers. The transfer trinity, ACH, Zelle, and wire transfers. There are three main methods for transferring money to Capital One from another bank: ACH transfers, Zelle, and wire transfers. Each has its own strengths and quirks, so let's break them down. ACH transfers, automated clearinghouse. This is the most common and typically the slowest option. It's like sending a digital check, where it takes a few business days for the transfer to be completed. The good news? ACH transfers are usually free, both from Capital One and many other banks. Zelle, this is a peer-to-peer payment service available through many banks, including Capital One. Think of it like Venmo, but specifically for transfers between bank accounts. Zelle transfers are super fast, often happening within minutes, but they may come with transfer limits depending on your bank. Wire transfers, need the money there yesterday? A wire transfer is your fastest option. It electronically sends the funds immediately, but here comes the catch. Wire transfers often come with fees, sometimes on both the sending and receiving ends. So, use them for emergencies or situations where speed is absolutely essential. Choosing your champion, which transfer method is right for you? Alright, now that you know the fighters in the transfer ring, it's time to pick your champion. Consider these factors when making your decision. Speed, need the money ASAP? Zelle or wire transfer are your go-to options. Can you wait a few days? An ACH transfer will do the trick. Fees, watch out for those pesky fees. ACH transfers are generally free, while Zelle and wire transfers often come with a cost. Transfer limits, Zelle might have limitations on how much you can send at once. Check with your bank for specific details. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you decide. For everyday transfers or consolidating accounts, ACH transfer, slow but free. For urgent situations where speed is key, Zelle or wire transfer, fast but potentially with fees. For smaller, quick transfers between friends and family, Zelle, fast, free, and often with transfer limits. Transfer time. A step-by-step guide. Now that you've chosen your transfer method, let's walk through the steps for each one. ACH transfer. Log into your online banking for the bank where the money is currently held. Navigate to the transfer section, might be called transfers, money movement, or something similar. Choose transfer to another bank and select Capital One as the receiving bank. You'll need Capital One's routing number and your account number. This information can be found on your Capital One checks, online banking statements, or by calling customer service. Enter the amount you want to transfer and the date you want it to arrive. Review the details and confirm the transfer. Zelle. Log into your Capital One mobile app or online banking. Find the Zelle section, might be under Send Money or Payments. Select Send Money with Zelle. Choose a recipient by entering their phone number or email address linked to their Zelle account. Enter the amount you want to send and a brief description, optional. Review the details and confirm the transfer. Wire transfer. Note, since wire transfers often involve fees and can be a bit more complex, it's recommended to reach out to your bank's customer service department to initiate a wire transfer. They can walk you through the specific steps and answer any questions you might have.